Hi, we are doing tarot reading for Virgos for the month of July. Let's see what do we have. If you have your sun or moon sign in Virgo or even rising sign in Virgo, this will resonate with you. Let's see what do we have for you guys. We have the Knight of Wands. Okay, the Knight of Wands talks about an energy where you are wanting to start something new. There's a strong ideation energy. There's a strong will, or there's a strong आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द वर्ड. एक बहुत आस हो रही है कहीं ट्रैवल करने की, कुछ एडवेंचरस करने की एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, बट आई वुड एडवाइज यू अगेंस्ट इट because Mercury is in retrograde in Cancer. This is a Seven of Swords. Yes, you are definitely on an adventure journey. You're wanting to take that risk. You're wanting to, take that one leap of faith कि क्या होगा देखा ही जाएगा, जो होगा देख लेंगे kind of. But warning you against it, warning you कि हो सकता है कि this is not the right time. जो करना है 25th जुलाई के बाद करिएगा, अभी मत करिएगा. Probably wait for one more tarot reading that I will do for August and see if this is going to be helpful for you. And if you try to be cautious and careful here, opportunities will open up for you. The Nine of Pentacles is telling us that just that there might be opportunities you will see and you'll be very excited about it. और ये भी कर लेते हैं, वो भी कर लेते हैं, वो भी कर लेते हैं, but that's not the right way to go about it. Right now the universe is not in your favor. अभी नहीं हो सकता है ये सब चीज़ें, तो just take a step back. Allow that abundance energy to come into your life, लेकिन थोड़ा रुक के, थोड़ा सब्र रख के. लाइफ में ना सब्र ही सब कुछ है. ठीक है, जिंदगी तो आपकी टेस्ट लेती रहेगी. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट सरेंडरिंग टू हर and the moment you start showing some sabr in your life, things will definitely come your way. The Knight of Pentacles again, this was the Knight of Wands. Yes, a lot of knight energy. So in your love life, basically there is somebody coming, or probably your love life is sparkling a lot. You might be going on an adventure. It's very good time for romance, very good time for nurturing your own energy, very good time for developing female friendships, developing male friendships, going on that one break that you have been wanting to take. I don't mean travel, घर पे रह के भी break किया जा सकता है, right? So this is what looks like to me of July for Virgos. I want to ask some more to understand, what can you do during this time? Okay, so the Emperor, right? Yeah, so you might want to consult somebody who's senior most in your field, in your area, and you might want to understand. और मैं सच बताऊं तो वो भी आपको यही बोलेंगे that you need to pause a little. ठीक है, यू नीड टू बी अ लिटिल केयरफुल इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. कोई हरीडली स्टेप्स मत लीजिए. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट टेकिंग हरीड स्टेप्स, दैट इज व्हेन द थिंग्स स्टार्ट मूविंग डाउन. थिंग्स स्टार्ट बिकॉज आप you talk from a Rahu energy point of view at this point of time. And hurriedly अगर कोई चीज़ बहुत अट्रैक्टिव लग रही है, बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, और आपको लग रहा है नहीं नहीं हम तो कर लेंगे, हम तो ये कर लेंगे. सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में बहुत फर्क होता है. And at this point of time you need a guru, and you need somebody who is going to guide you. And take this video as a sign that this is guiding you and asking you to stop, review, reflect. थोड़ा इंट्रोस्पेक्शन कीजिए. आपसे होगा, आपसे नहीं होगा, क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है, दिस लुक्स गुड टू मी. अदरवाइज लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाउ योर हेल्थ इज गोइंग टू बी for Virgos in the month of July. Your health is looking absolutely fine. You will be in the best of your health. You will be in the best of your energy. हाँ, थोड़ी सी एंग्जाइटी, थोड़ा सा रश हो सकता है, because the universe is trying to slow you down, but you're trying to move fast fast fast. तो थोड़ा सा हो सकता है rush or छोटी सी anxiety, but it has nothing to do that is serious. You're in the best of your physical health. Make sure if you want to start something like a physical fitness workout, or probably starting to eat healthy, this is a very very good time for you to start that. And July looks very very good for me. Virgos, the color for you during this month is going to be orange. I'm going to give you a lucky color as orange during this month, because that's what I see is going to guide you through. I hope this resonates.